Hello and welcome back to the code. Today I'm going to be explaining about project database. So since most pretty much every website doesn't have the GUIs and the sliders, I just created a code that would best represent something kind of close to that. So that was one of the challenges is that I had to figure out, okay, how do I get it to do this? And how do I get to do the program? So right here, I had to put scanner for this one since it's the one that's scanning the whole thing. It's like you have the options. It gives you that. So when you run the code, this is what it'll show. So it'll have options for to view the entire table. To select from auto, you get one. Search the car name, two. Three is filter by miles per gallon and horsepower. And then exit the program. So I'll tell you that. So then one of the things I had to also know is I had to do this part here, which was figuring out the case, switch option here, and create a new set of line of codes here. So right here is where it really gets to here, because this is where I decided to give an example. So for example, the Toyota Corolla has 33 miles per gallon and 75 horsepower. Ford Mustang is faster, but it has less miles per gallon, slower. So look at the methodology, right? The more horsepower a car has, the less miles per gallon it has. So, although I decided to put, for fun, I decided to put four more here. Dodge Challenger, 35 miles per gallon, 9. Sorry. And then I decided to put sports cars, fancy cars, because why not? Luxury cars. They're really nice. So I put the Aventador at 15 miles per gallon at 750 horsepower. Hennessy Venom. Oh my god, I should probably put this much less than that. I should probably put 10 because that car is really fast. Hennessy Venom F5, 1800 horsepower, 10 miles per gallon. And for Bugatti Bolide, another one, a fast car, that's only 5 miles per gallon. Yeah, not great. Not great. These luxury sports cars, they don't have really good miles per gallon because they use it so fast. The way they accelerate, it's insane. So yeah, and then I decided to put public static void here to put the table for results, to filter. Okay, so let's get started here. So I put one here that will view the entire table. So you see right here. Now let's say I decide to put three right here. I have to select an option though. So what if I filter it out to just 5 miles per gallon, 5 horsepower? Well, that puts everything right there. Now, what if I did want to do just the miles per gallon? What if I just put 5 miles per gallon? Well, it wouldn't work because I have to put miles and horsepower. So if I put this and 1,000 horsepower, let's see. Well, there you go. I get the luxury cars. The fastest one, Hennessy Venom F5 and the Bugatti Bolide. Now, what if I do even more? What if I do this, but I put the horsepower at 30? What would the filter be? Well, it would be pretty much these powers, these cars. Yes, even the Lamborghini Aventador, the high horsepower. Now, what if I do 700? What will it do? Well, it'd only be the Aventador, but let's say a crazy fast car, 7,000. Well, it just wouldn't exist. You're out of luck. So, yeah, it's a pretty simple code. Yeah, you just like filter it out. You just this right here, just put unlimited. Just put whatever you want. Just put unlimited cars, mileage, and horsepower. However much you want, however many you like. That's what you can do. So thank you once again. I really enjoyed doing these codes throughout the entire semester. Really learned a lot and how to figure out things in order to do certain codes. And I really understand. So hopefully you enjoyed me doing all these codes and projects. And we had